Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all excited for Christmas. We're in December now, and today I'm doing my swap with the lovely Kim. So we decided to do a 12-day advent calendar swap. I'm so excited. I will insert a photo on here of the box, but it's too big for it to fit on my desk, so I'll just put a little photo of what the box looked like. Beautifully wrapped up and gorgeous Christmas paper. Really excited to open this. This beautiful candy cane. I've never seen this candy cane kind of bubble wrap before. Yeah, I thought that's such a cool thing. I presume it's just out for Christmas, but you have to let me know, Kim, where you got this from. It's such a cool sort of way to package up some Christmas gifts. So it come with some bubble wrap and then loads of this like shredded papers, and there was all these little sequins, really packaged, really lovely, and tissue paper and that. So like I said, I can't put the box up on the desk, it's way too big to have up here, but I wanted to share with you how it was packaged. And then there was some loose bits in there, so I do apologize if they've come out of packaging. I know this one is number 3 and it is slightly open. I haven't tried not to peek into it, but I don't know if these were in a different package or not, but yeah, they were loose. So today's video I'm going to do number 1, 2 and 3, so days 1, 2 and 3, yeah, and share those with you. So first of all is these beautiful napkins. I love these. I haven't really got into the napkin trend, to be honest, but I'm excited to try some of these. These beautiful gingerbread houses. And then you've got these nutcracker ones, really pretty. So you've got some of those. And then these Christmassy jumper ones, which are really lovely as well. So it's those. I think there was some more somewhere. Oh, so that's another jumper one. Really pretty. And then there was some snowflake ones, these ones. Again, really excited to use those on some projects. So that's those. So I'll leave those there. So, and then also was loose in the box was some gorgeous Christmassy papers. So you've got this beautiful one. It's got bears and reindeers on. Then this one. I think they're yeah, they're one-sided. Beautiful reindeer one, snowman. It's a cute penguin one. I love the pastel colours that it's got in this collection. That one, and then lastly that one. Really good. It feels really thick cardstock as well. Really nice. So thank you, Kim, for sending those. And then I've got things piled up on my desk at the moment and they're all falling down. So that's those ones. I'm going to open these cards. So this is a swap card. Look at these gorgeous like vintage stickers that she's put on there. They're really sweet. So this is the swap card. It says thank you sticker on there. Holly jolly. And their stickers as well. Beautiful papers, Christmas papers. Oh, and she's made some like coins. It says 2MJ, thank you so much for doing the 12-day Christmas swap. I hope you like and enjoy everything. Merry Christmas, love, Kim. Thank you, Kim, for sending that. And then she's made some of these coins. Are they called coins? I think so. I've never made any of these. Collect beautiful moments. And then this one says you are enough. And so the adventure begins. They're really pretty. I wonder what paper. It looks like Christmassy paper on there. Thank you, Kim. They're really pretty. They're lovely. So that was in that one. And then this one is a Christmas card. Again, beautiful stickers on there. Oh wow, this is such a fun card. Look at that. It's like a cracker. That's really cool. It says Winter Wonderland. I love the way she's done that. I don't know if that's a die, and then she's put loads of glitter all on there. Really makes it dimensional on there. Really pretty. Oh, and then it just says to MJ, Merry Christmas, all the best for 2026, love from Kim. Thank you, Kim. And then inside, which I kind of caught as they fell out, is these stickers, Christmassy. Oh, that looks good. Stickers, and then the Santa. So that's cool. Thank you for sending those. I love this card. I wonder if she's like made that freehand or it's a die. I'm not sure. You have to let me know, Kim. Did you cut this like by hand or is it a die? Really creative. So this is number 1. So we've got some stickers on here, little Santa face. So I'm going to open this one. Really cool. So in number 1, what is in here? Oh, is this more is this napkins? No, I don't know what this is. So it's like a material. Oh, is this a bag? Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh, that is really cool. So it's like a tote bag, and it's got, I'll try and show you it all. So that's the top, Christmas tree, you've got this house, cottage there, beautiful Christmas tree, and then that's the bottom. And then I think it's the same on the other side. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is so cool, Kim. I love it. I'm definitely going to use that over the Christmas when I go and do my last minute Christmas shopping. Thank you so much. That is so pretty. I've not seen anything like that. That was so cool. I'm excited to use that now. So that was number 1, and then this is number 2. Again, lovely stickers with the Santa on, and then this one. Oh wow, look at this paper. So you got this paper pad. Creative papers, it's like pastels colours. I love that silver one. I think these are single, or they're double-sided. It's like holographic. Those are awesome. Thank you, Kim, for sending those. And then another paper pad. Craft Christmas, creative papers, that said, festive feelings, and then these ones are very like traditional kind of colours. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, there's another sequin. They are beautiful, Kim. Thank you so much. And then the last thing in that one was colour your own stickers. Oh, they look like fun. My little one is going to want to do some of these. He's going to love this, colouring these in. And you get 60 in there, so that's really cool. Thank you, Kim, for sending those. And that's just we're only on number 2. So the last one is number 3. And this was a little open, but I tried not to peek. And inside this one, oh, you've got these like materials. So you've got a red, gold and silver. So you can see what it's like. I think these are like organza kind of material. Yeah, they are. Oh, how pretty are those to make flowers or Christmas bows. I really like those. So that's the gold one. And then you've got the silver and the red one. This one, I don't know if this is slightly different. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, they're going to be so... Oh, you could cover... I've seen some people use this organza and make shakers out of it. I wonder if I could use this with my dies. Make a shaker. It might... Yeah, if I make some before Christmas or even after Christmas, I still like to do Christmas crafts after Christmas. I'll show if I can make these into like little shakers, like using this instead of like paper and stuff. Thank you so much. And then obviously the silver one, and I think it's like white organza. Thank you so much, Kim. I'm so excited. I can't wait for the next 3 days now. Thank you everyone for watching, guys. I really appreciate everyone that's leaves comments on my videos. I know I've gained a few new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. I hope to get to know you a bit better over the next coming months. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.